What use is an F-call? As a direct result of being involved in amateur radio, I find myself spending more time at my workbench figuring out things, repairing equipment and investigating new solutions. My workbench oscillates between clean enough to eat from to a place where a cyclone went through in the past hour, and all the stages in between. I realise that there are some contributing factors to this. Amateur radio, a lot like Lego, requires lots of little parts. The obligatory bolts and nuts, washers and the like, connectors and adapters, fuses and wire, and then there are a growing number of resistors, capacitors and other odds and ends. The projects waiting to be done and the failed ones. I started hunting for storage for all these little bits. I investigated little electronics drawers but found them prohibitively expensive if you wanted to obtain enough to make a difference. If they were cheap, they were very thin, and if they were nice and robust, they came in at a couple of bucks per drawer, which adds up to real money pretty rapidly. I experimented with toolboxes in all manner of different storage bins, and then came across a fishing tackle box. Not the toolbox type, just a single, simple, flat, semi-transparent box with lots of little compartments. The one I found has about 24 little sections, and the walls are removable so you can fit a large bolt in them. In my travels through various clubs and shacks, I've seen a myriad of other solutions too. What do you use to store your precious? I'm Onno, Victor Kilo 6, Foxtrot Lima Alpha Bravo.